Great. This is Michael Smith. Today I wanted to demonstrate to you a Chrome extension called TubePilot. So for those streamers out there and influencers, if you've got a lot of videos that you want to upload, you go ahead and upload or download the TubePilot extension, Chrome extension, and you'll see it here. You're going to log in. Click on the open panel on this page. It's going to open up a side panel, and I guess I could go through it more detailed. So on the pop-up here, this widget's going to pop up if you click on the icon, and you're going to have an account tab and a products tab. Your account tab is kind of self-explanatory. It shows your email as you logged in using Gmail. It's going to have a button for you to buy credits. Got 659 here. And it's also going to have a button to open the panel, and as you saw earlier, and also to sign out. The other tab is your products tab. So what is the products tab? If you're like me, you've got a multitude of products and also a multitude of channels, YouTube channels. And so I've got a TubePilot here. This is what we're working on right now. I've also have this Etsy automated service here. This is also a Chrome extension called Bulk Listing Pro. So you're gonna, this is just for organizing and also for AI. Since this extension uses AI, you're gonna want to add your product. So let's go in here. We're gonna call this GovTools Pro. GovTools Pro. This is also an extension, a Chrome extension that you can get. You can go to www.govtoolspro.com. And what does it do? So GovTools Pro is an extension that streamlines government contracting. I'll say finding contracts, reviewing contracts, and creating proposals. Cool. So, and what we're going to do is some SEO words. Let's say sam.gov. We're also going to, let's just keep it as sam.gov. So I'm going to save this, right? So now I have a new product here. So I'm going to come back and I'm going to open up the panel. And here I'm logged in. And here's the product. So I want to go to GovTools Pro. And what this does is this feeds all the information kind of like context to AI. So I have a video here that I want to upload for GovTools Pro. Let's go to downloads. Let's see if I can find something fun. There you go. There's a GovTools Pro video. I'm going to click on, let's go to that analysis tab. Open that. That's going to pop in here. So we have the product. The next thing you want to know is, are we going to upload this via the API or are we going to use the DOM? So I'm going to go to the DOM just to show you what goes on in the background. The API is another method of uploading. It's going to do this through the background, so you're not going to see what's going on, but we're going to use the DOM today, and we're going to upload so you see exactly what's happening. So we have visibility. Do I want to send this as private, unlisted, or public? Let's do this as, let's do this public. Next is our advanced section, and these are all the selections that you would have to go through on YouTube. But what we do is we make everything automated because most things are done the same anyways. If you want extra features, you can do that. Video description. So what I'm going to do is really give it a basic description. This video is a short tutorial teaching about GovTools Pro Chrome extension, and it specifically teaches about how to use the analysis tab. All right, cool. So very short. Grammar's messed up, no capitalization, everything's fine. I'm going to go down here and click on the generate metadata button. And this is going to use AI to optimize the description based on this description that I've provided. It's going to also create tags hashes, and also optimize your title as well. So as you can see, scroll down. This is the title. This is GovTools Pro Analysis Tab Tutorial, Chrome extension, perfect. And what does it talk about? Learn how to use the Analysis tab with the GovTools Pro Chrome extension. This short tutorial will walk you through the key features and benefits of this powerful tool. So great. We even have hashes in here, Chrome extension tutorial. It detects everything from your description, so you don't have to have a really detailed description. It's pulling this out, and it's also going through the context from the metadata that you provided in the product itself. So now you have, this is AI generated, this is AI generated. You also have tags here, so you're going to have an optimized video that's ready to upload. Now, of course, I'm explaining this, so it's going to take a while, right? But once you get the gist of this, you're going to upload your video, type in your description, click generate. Everything is good to go. It also shows this is under the education suggested category. I'm going to click upload and fill. It's going to upload this automatically for me. And it is a time saver when you have onesies and twosies, but it'll also save you a lot of time when you're uploading a multitude of videos. Let's say you had a great weekend, you did a lot of filming, and they're all under a certain product. This is going to save you a lot of time. And as you can tell, it's already completed. What YouTube is doing now is what it always does. It's going to go and check for, you can see on the bottom, video was uploaded successfully. It's going to check for, you know, all the little gates that they have in there. You can close if you'd like, or you can keep it open. I like to close it. And you can see it's loading right here. So again, this is TubePilot. Go to the Chrome store, check it out. It is going to be a great time and money saver for you. Thanks again for watching. My name is Michael Smith. Have a good one.